Hi everybody. Hello. Anybody here? We'll wait. Okay. Let me tell you what this session is all about today. This is a numerology session wherein we will talk about what is numerology. Now, numerology means everything relating to numbers. It's an age-old science. Hi Venisha. Hi Asta. Am I audible enough? Please, if you can confirm if I'm audible enough. Okay, so this session today is all about numerology. Numerology is the science of numbers. Now, what will ask me, what is numbers? Numbers is everything. When you're born, we are born with a certain date of birth, and that is interchangeable. As compared to astrology, the planetary positions keep changing, but in numerology, your basic content remains the same. The basic traits, the positive and the negative traits remain the same. The only improvisation that we do is we try to, when they say there is a roadblock, we try to minimize the roadblock, and if there is a success ahead, we try to accelerate that. So basically, your date of birth, simply your date of birth speaks a lot about you, your personality, your nature. Just by knowing a person's date of birth, we can say about that. We can predict the future. We can tell you how you cannot, what illness can you overcome, or what are the possibilities. So it is basically a roadmap that tells you, a guide towards your future, that tells you about with it. Hi Bharti. So basically, anybody would like to ask what about their date of birth, and then we will we can see how we do about with it. Tell something about me. I am a numerologist. I am a tarot reader. I am a Reiki healer. I am also into crystal healing, distils healing, and a lot more healing modalities. Well, the reason to get into is basically by background, I am an ex banker. I was working with a a corporate bank, but as they say, the typical 9 to 5 work doesn't really suit me, and I wanted to help out people, because we all have been through circumstances where uh, we've all seen lows, and then we need to get back to it. So that's what with the goal of helping people and understanding, most of the people time we keep understanding why me, why does this happening me, why there is no solutions. So there are solutions. The firstly is, you need to understand and accept that there is a problem. Okay, acceptance is the first step towards it. Next is, we slowly work towards it. Now numerology helps you overcoming why making use of your lucky colors, lucky numbers you carry on. There are few changes that you do about with that. So yes, you can go ahead, keep asking me about your date of birth. I'll try to tell you a generalized overview of your personality, what you are, what you need to be careful of. How much ever little I can, tell you, I will definitely tell you in the small sessions. And for details, you can definitely visit my FB page, which is Number Future 111, and you can see what all I offer, and what I keep posting a lot of tips every day, generalized readings. I do that, so you can have a look over there, and if anything that you need to ask right now, you can please go ahead and ask me. So we'll wait for some time till a few more people come in, and then we will see. So basically, I'll tell you what, where you are is not currently is not where you're destined to be. Hi Subodh. You need to move ahead. Okay, if things bad have happened with you, accept it, realize what is the next step, and move forward. Staying here in the situation, in the current situation, is not meant to be. You're meant to move ahead irrespective of the situation. And trust me, I say this from a very personal experience. Life puts you down many times, but how many times you get up? Do you want to get up, is the question that you need to ask yourself. So this is what you need to move ahead, have it inside you, because been there, done that. What after that? Okay, we have the first date of birth coming in. That's Shreya. Shreya is 6'9", 89. Just give me one moment, please. Uh, plus. Shreya, you like a lot of luxurious things in life. You like to enjoy life, and you want to have the best of the life. Okay, you are very hardworking, and somewhere down there you are little detached. You feeling lonely at heart. You don't not really very content. Although you have a very good friend circle, relatives, or whatever you call people look up to you for advice, but somewhere deep down you have that loneliness in you. However, this year is an excellent for you. If you're planning something work wise, please go ahead. You will definitely get success. So you just build up more self confidence that you need to do for yourself. Vinisha is saying 1/12/1985. Okay, just a moment, please. Vinisha, you are a little stubborn by nature, not really stubborn in the senses. Probably what you decide on, you get that. You do not leave it. You see to it that you achieve your goals. You also have success in your world. Be it personally, professionally, you do have that. And currently going through a little difficult phase. Don't worry, it would get over soon. But there is little time for it. Otherwise, you are a leader, you're a born leader. You cannot work under somebody. You're meant to do an independent work. So that's what you need to do. Control your anger a little bit. Okay, and I see success for you. Just that since few months, or 15-18 months, it's a bit a difficult time for you. Little time it's going to continue more. I would suggest start using your lucky colors, lucky dates, so that you neutralize the effect. And if no harm, but then you neutralize the effect. So that's for you. Priya saying 17th of April 1988. Okay, 17th April 17th March, I'm sorry, 17th March 1988. Priya, you have a very analytical mind. You have a very different way of looking at things. You take a very different stand when it comes to any kind of a thing. So people. You come tend to come across as a very unemotional person, but you're a very emotional person. You do not show your feelings very easily. Okay, you need to do that. You need to tone down little and be a little more expressive towards your family and friends, so that even they feel wanted. There is a lacking of little of a success for you, Priya. You little need to tone down in all the aspects. You have the leadership quality, but somewhere you're lacking behind. So you need to do few corrections, which I can tell you personally. This becomes a very public forum to tell you what to be doing about with that. So yes, you have a very different way. Change yourself, be more expressive is the advice I would give you at the moment. Okay, Ira is coming saying 15/11/1980. Okay. Ira, currently you're going through some difficult phase at the moment. Okay, that's what I can see. You tend to get a lot of opportunities in life, but you lack the self confidence to pick it up. You just because you keep thinking, should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I do it? In between that, you let go of lot of opportunities which you get very easily. You need to change this drastically in yourself. Develop the self confidence. Take up that opportunity. Until you take a risk, how would you know? You like to be in the safe zone. You miss out a lot of opportunities. You can get a lot of opportunities, but you're missing out on that. So please take care. You are hardworking, definitely. Off late, you're going through a little difficult phase. You have been through a difficult phase, you go through. So not much of an issue. Just develop more self confidence and take up the opportunity that come down to you. Kavita is saying her date of birth is 10/9/1974. Okay. Kavita, you are a leader. Okay. You lead from the front. But somewhere down the line you miss the train. I'll tell you more. Oh, Kavita, you're very stubborn also by nature. I take it as a very good quality because when the situation is tough, you do not give up, you know. So that way, stubbornness for me is a good quality. So that's what you need to do, you know. Sometimes little toning is required and you need to go with the flow, okay. You have a lot of you use you're very intelligent, you know. So Kavita, you need to capitalize on that. Take rational decisions. You are taking, but somewhere you lost in between. I see you, you know, just losing focus or just not going about with things. And you would be experiencing sudden gains and sudden falls in your life. Sudden health issues हो गया, sudden business loss हो गया, या कुछ अच्छा भी होगा, but it is always a mixture, you know. It's always a sudden, it's not a very suddenly you moving and then, you know, you bump across some opportunity also. So from the positive side, keep it in mind that, you know, you need to keep your eyes and your ears open and your brains open. But another advice for you is tone down a little, be a little softer, take a very little rational approach, but be a little on the softer side also. That's what I would tell you. Bharti, okay. You guys will have to just, if I'm a little slow, you will have to, because I to calculate it and I just can't be wrong in this. So just bear with me if I find me a little slow. Bharti, at the moment you're a very emotional person. At the moment you're going through a very emotional phase. Uh, you have a lot of knowledge, Bharti. You can be somebody who is into the teaching, coaching, tuitions, or something of those kinds. Somebody who imparts a knowledge. But at the moment, you are in a phase where you know, an emotional. You are taking decisions by your heart. You're not using your head. You need to change that, because, you know, emotional decisions are many a times wrong. I do not say they're completely wrong, but where you need to use your head, please use your head. You are using your heart too much at the moment. This is what it's showing up, you know. So you need to do that. And also, this year onwards, this year has been little difficult for you. January onwards, I do see little issues I happening from January. So I would suggest you, if you could start using your lucky colors, dates, and, you know, that would help you a lot in that. So you know what not to do and what to do, so that it guides you in the future, in the coming times when they are a little difficult. It will be easy for you. So Bharti, I've answered you. Smriti is saying 31/5/1984. Okay. Bharti, you're a strong-headed person. Okay, I would say that you have success coming for you. You're strong-headed. You are determined. You take up an opportunity when it's given for you. But somewhere you lack the self-confidence in yourself. You know, you are also stubborn-headed. You do not give up, but you do not bend also. But sometimes it's unreasonable. So that's what you need to change. You know, you need to see it sometimes not on a very over practical. Sometimes you become over practical. So that you need to change about yourself. You know, think little from the other person's point of view. Maybe not everybody takes a very strong stand in life like you. You tend to be, what is right and what is wrong is wrong. No, sometimes it's not only white and black, sometimes it's gray also. I know it's difficult to implement it, but that's what you need to do at times, dear. So understand the perspective from somebody else point of view. Also be little toned down, understand, be little rational, use your heart little more, and develop self confidence, because you're lacking little bit of self confidence. You although you have opportunities, you will let it go just because you said you are over, as I said, over analysis sometimes leads to loss of opportunities. If you keep analyzing and don't take steps, this is what happens, you know. So you need to change that in yourself, Smriti. Apurva, your with your date of birth, you will always have a stability issue. Emotions, mentally, physically, financially, everything is going to be. Let me just check this up for you in a more detailed this thing. Aposhna, you're very, very emotional person. Uh, you, darling, you will have to stop using your heart at all. You know, you are very emotional, very sensitive. It's easy to get hurt by people. And you know, that's what you need to change. You may need to make yourself tough. If you get affected by every scratch that comes to you, how will you become strong? You are way too emotional. You what I would for you in your case especially, I would like to suggest you, see, this year is good for you work wise. If you concentrate, if you pick up the opportunity, if you leave your laziness, you can do wonders. If the only factor is if, do it, go ahead, you will definitely get success. But again, use your head. This year can give you a fantastic opportunities, but please use your head. Make the best of this opportunity. For you, I would strongly recommend, you know, start using your lucky colors, avoid your unlucky colors. It will make a hell of a difference. It will make you more strong emotionally also. So that's for Apurva. Rita, I missed out yours, I'll just give it to you. Rita, this year is great for you. In case you're planning something, please go ahead. Uh, you can definitely this thing, but you again are a little, you know, you are lonely at heart somewhere. I feel somewhere that although you may have the success, you have a little limited success. Let me be very open with you, but somewhere something is bothering you emotionally, mentally. You're feeling very let down. You are, it shows that you are, although you're with people, you have a lot of, you have a good circle, you impart a lot of knowledge to people, you give out with your experience, you cannot see anybody in pain or in trouble, but somewhere deep down you are, you feel a sense of loneliness. So you need to you know, overcome that. Okay. Ritu, okay, just one moment. Ritu is 14th November 1977. Ritu, sometimes for you making decisions is difficult. You do not make up decisions easily. You, although you are determined, you want to get through, and you will get through with whatever the circumstances give it out to you. But you know what? You waste out a lot of time in deciding, should I do this? Should I not do this? So develop little more self confidence. Develop your communication skills. Be little more communicative. That's where it is, you're lacking in the communication thing. So be little more communicative. And at the moment you have I don't know, maybe the circumstances past few years have presented that way, that you have made yourself very you've created a barrier against you. You know, you don't let people enter that, and you become very of this thing. So that's a good thing, because you protect yourself also. That's completely okay. But somewhere if you concentrate on two things. One is becoming a little emotional, being, showing more of emotions, and taking firm decisions. You cannot, you have the capacity to it, you're not taking the decisions. You keep shifting. You know, suppose you'll get out of the house and you'll go to buy a vegetable, but you will end up buying the milk, you know, which is not required. Or you keep thinking, I need to do this, or should I do this? Even after getting down to the house, you would do that. So just have self confidence, trust yourself, trust your decisions, meditate a lot, and you will definitely get through with things. No, Priya, I didn't say that not a success. It's just that little difficult times that goes about with that. Sure, Asta, I will just do that. Um, we have missed out. Just let me see whom have we missed out. I am sorry, Asta, if I've missed out somebody. If you can, If they can just send me again, I will do that for them. If I've missed out anybody, please resend your date of birth. I'll just let you know. Manju Jain. Okay. One. Manju, you're a leader. From what I can, I think I did for Manju or somebody similar. Okay. 1955. Just give me a moment, please. In meanwhile, whomever I have, if I've missed out, please do send it again. And in case if I miss out, even okay. Ritu is not able to relate with my answer. Very strong-headed person. I said you are a strong-headed, but you don't. You have made yourself strong-headed in the last few years. You've made yourself very strong-headed. But otherwise, you sometimes you keep you are not able to take up decisions easily. That's you keep thinking a lot. That's what my point was. It's not that you. I told you you've made yourself very much strong-headed in the last few years. You've made. I told you you made a created a barrier around you, you know. This is for Manju. Manju, you have leadership qualities. Okay. Of late you're going through little difficult times, so you need to work up on that. You need to think about on that. uh, you're a very determined person, but again you let go of opportunities. First, you're very confused, you do not take up decisions, and even if you get opportunities, you let go of those opportunities. So my advice to you is develop your more self confidence. Disha. Okay. They show you little short of your success currently. Okay. Since few years, or probably you've just not come to that. Sometimes say since January you started a little difficult phase of yours. So that's what you need to be little careful. You're little short of, just little short of your success, I would not say. You need to communicate more. You need to interact more with people. You are a person who doesn't open up very easily. What is going on in your mind is very difficult to pay for people to understand and judge what is going on in your mind. Nobody can make out easily what's there. So you need to be more reciprocative to people and be more open as to what is going on in your mind. So you need to do that. Rest, if you concentrate, if you concentrate on that, if you open up to people and you communicate more, you will definitely have success for you. Just that little difficult time has started from January. I mean, you will have to check up a little on that. Read. Okay. Rita. Okay. Yes, Ritu, that's what I'm saying. You do not allow any no, low frequency around you. It's that just cut off from there. So, which is good, I say, because you need to protect yourself. You need to maintain that shield around you. You need to do that. It's very necessary, because if we let everything coming in, we ourselves are drained of our energies. So that's what I'm saying. You have created a boundary which is good for you. We'll take up with Rita. 12/12/1969. Rita, this year is very good for you. As I told you, in case you're planning something new, something, you're planning to start a job or change a business or something of those kinds, you can definitely, this is the year for you. You can definitely go ahead. And you are pretty clear in your head about your things. Just an advice for you, put in a little more hard work. You need to put in little hard work. You are little on the lazier side. So you think that things would be done. You, rather than doing things, you get it done. So get up and do things yourself. So that's what you need to change little bit in yourself. But this year is definitely rocking for you, dear. Go ahead, and in case of anything in on the pipeline, you can definitely say a yes. Okay, we're talking for Anju. Okay, just give me a while. Anju, you are a person who is always on the go. Uh, you're always on the go. Whatever it is, if it's picking you up at late night and telling you, let's go for a drive, or let's start a new business idea, or let's do something. You're not a person who says no to anybody. You are always ready for action. So that's what you keep on doing. And also, you're very determined. You have clear ideas in your head. So you go about with that. 6 and 12. I see this is a fairly average year for you. Nothing to be worried about. But then, yes, you have a lot of things. Only thing is, you at present you're going through a phase where you do not let people know your true feelings. It's difficult to judge you what is going on in your mind or what is there. So just try to open up a bit. You are religious minded, you are spiritual minded, you would get into eventually into spirituality and things like that later, little ahead, or probably you also started. You're very superstitious or those kinds, so you'll just get into that. So I think we've covered everybody. So you see how basically numerology helps us and understands where and how we can make certain changes in our life, and we can go about with that. So that's what basically it tells us. It's basically some kind of a roadblock, something we need to improvise on, or just we've seen some people are just good enough the way they are, so you need not make any changes in your existing lifestyles. Okay. Very emotional person, very emotional person, very sensitive, need to control the emotions. You will have to install the self confidence. Needs pampering, always gets offended at the smallest of things. Tanisha gets offended by the smallest of things. You'll have to change that, because definitely uses the heart and not the brains. Although it's just this thing, you will have to. Career wise, excellent year for them. In case something planning for some studies or something, higher studies or something, excellent year. Yes, for Tanisha. So I'm saying for Tanisha itself, she's very sensitive, very emotional. This year, if she's planning for higher studies or something extra more, she can definitely have success for it. But you need to take care of her. She's very sensitive and an emotional child. So you will further ahead, she gets offended, she gets hurt, she withdraws into a shell, she cries, she needs a lot of pampering. So that's what you need to make her mentally strong. So that's what you need to do for that. You will have to take care of it. You know going about with that. So just see that she and always she will need some kind of a support in life. She has the capabilities, but she will need that support. So that kind of that somebody back of me is always there. You will have to ensure that she becomes self dependent rather on dependent on somebody else. So this change you will have to do it in her. 10th November 1966. Okay. uh Ritu is a little difficult times ahead. You are a born leader, Ritu. but you get success after a lot of difficult phase in your life. You do not get success easily. You will, compared to what people put in 10% of efforts, you need to put in 1000% of efforts. All your efforts go down the drain. Success doesn't come easily to you. So there are few things that you need to work it up. Okay. Connect with me, I'll tell you what changes you need to do. And but otherwise it's okay. You are mentally strong. You need to just get through with few things. There are few things that you need to change, so that I will tell you what exactly you need to do. So please connect with me, I'll tell you how to go about with that. Tanu, give me your daughter's date of birth. I would need the date of birth, darling, so then I can tell you what exactly it is. See, numerology basically tells you what you need to do and what you not need to do, and what you can, what changes you need to get in your life. That's very, very important. See, I would not say expect miracles from when you do some kind of a changes, but yes, slowly and steadily implementing those changes will give up, because what is destined to be, I always say, what is destined to be will happen. Our only motive is to minimize the effects of the bad times that are going to come, and accelerate the good times that we have, so we can make the maximum use of it. Like we know right now we're going through a phase of difficult phase, but when we know, we're taking precautions. Exactly, that's what numerology does. There is difficult time, take precautions, so that the effect would be less. So that's what you need to do. Isha Singh, 25th Jan 1994. Okay. You are, this is for Isha. Isha, you are, uh, you do not let your feelings easily known to people. You are little secretive by nature. Your plans, till the end moment, people do not know. You like to lead by the front. Uh, you're pretty strong headed, determined. You see to it that whatever you think goes about with you with the thought process gets a definite way about with that. So that's what it is. 3 to 5. 3 1 4. Little difficult times you're going through, since a year or so. You're going through little difficult times, what I can see is. So I would suggest, make few changes, and it will get through with the difficult times easily. Thank you, Ritu. If any further queries, please connect with me, and if I could be of any help to you, or of in any way to the group, please let me know. And thank you for attending the session, Ritu, and for your valuable time too. Tanu is saying 13/3 2015. Okay. Okay. Little stubborn person, 13, Tanu, little stubborn, would not give in easily. Likes to rule little bit. If his demands are not met with, is going to be a cranky thing. But the good thing is, you have good friend circle, good social circle, will have the support always in life. So nothing to worry about as such. You just need to understand it's 2015 born, so just a kid. So you need to tone him in those ways that probably, uh, he has an adjusting nature. She has an adjusting nature. So you'll have to, if you feel the child is little stubborn or little rigid, break the ice right now. This is the right time. You're sitting there, pamper him or her, and then you can go about with that. Priya, can you tell me something about my husband? 12th of July. Okay, just give me a while. Very hardworking person, very hardworking person, never lets go of any opportunity that gets in life. uh, Always on the go, a fun person to be, likes to enjoy life very much, likes to have the finer things in life, would not settle for something mediocre in life. uh, like, so basically, it's a preacher. You would also find him spiritually inclined. He likes to give out a lot of knowledge. So that's give out a lot of knowledge, impart knowledge, say from the experiences, and has a little mischievous kind of a thing. You will find him more spiritually inclined these days. You would be more self believing in God and things like that. So that's what it is about him. Okay, Isha, I'll tell you for. I hope I have, Priya, I've told you about your husband, so that's clear about with that. So he is. I do see him having success. He is on the go. He is hardworking, and he would give out knowledge. He would probably do well in a public related industry, public relations industry, teaching or advertising, media, more into the creative field. That would be for, that is meant for him. He's meant for that. I'll tell you, Isha. Seven. Isha, good. I mean, for your daughter, is she's a hardworking person. She has probably her reasoning. If you ever see, you would see her that. She has a very different way of looking at things. Her way of explaining things, justifying things is very different. So you will see her compared to the other people, that when they take decisions or when they say something, her reasoning is very different from people. And she's very creative. She's very she has a lot of patience actually. Probably not, none of others have it, so that's what he has it. Yeah. So that's what it is about, but I don't see any much issues. She has success in her life. Priya, he works in the sales. See, I told you he is has to be something wherein industry related to public related industry, sales and marketing and things like that. So that's what you told me also. You just confirmed it. Sir. Okay, he would do with Priya. He would do well in the sales and marketing industry itself. So nothing to. So he can continue with that. And this year, if he takes care, he can do wonders in his work this year also. Okay. Upon, I'm just trying to calculate because I would need more details in this case, but I'll try to help you out with the minimum details that I have. This needs a little detailed analysis based upon this. Uh, Aparna, I do see chances this year for you. There are chances, your chances are there this year, or else next year, definitely. That's what I see, generic, on a very generic basis. For a more detailed calculations, I need to do the astrological part, and I need your date of birth, time of birth, place of birth, and all that. But seeing from a very generic view, I do see this year and next year, your chances of conceiving are very high. Yes, Asta, we've done with everybody, so we will wrap up the session right now. About to say that. Thank you all for being such a lovely audience. Thank you for all the support. Thank you, Asta. A big thank you to you for giving me